and subscribers, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are fine. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I make my jollof rice with vegetables at home. So guys, I've made jollof rice in my video before, but this one is updated. I want to show you another way I make my jollof rice more rich and so good. So guys, if this is your first time on this channel, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. So guys, and for my old subscribers, I want to say thank you for stopping by. So now let's get started. Follow me to my kitchen and let's cook together. So now these are the chickens I want to use for this recipe. So this chicken is so hard, I need to cook it with the pressure pot so that it will be soft. So in here I have some onion, thyme, nutmeg, ginger, garlic, salt, and some Maggi cubes. So I'll just cook it, then I'll use the stock of this chicken for my jollof rice. So this is the rice I'm going to use. I want to make a large pot. This tomato, this is what I'm going to use for the jollof rice. In here, I blend bell pepper, scotch bonnet, onion, ginger, garlic, and tomato. I just blend everything together. These are all the things that I blend together here. Then I've cooked it until the water dried. So in that way, I will save a lot of time. So I have some carrots, chopped carrots. Also some spring onion. Some chopped onion. Some tomato paste. I have some green peas. Some butter. These are the spices I'm going to use. I have nutmeg, Maggi, salt, paprika, and curry. I'm going to use sunflower oil. So now I'll just add my oil into my pot. You can put a lot of oil. Later, you take some of the oil out of it, or all the oil, because this recipe I'm going to use butter. So I'll take all the oil out of it. But I just want to use the oil to cook the tomato. So now I'll just add my onion. I'm just going to leave this onion to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes because I want to feel that flavor of the onions in my jollof rice. So I'll be cooking it for the past 2 minutes. I need to add my tomato paste. So guys, this particular point, you need to be very careful when you are cooking your tomato paste. You have to stir it continuously so that it will not get burnt. Because if it burns, it will spoil your jollof rice. So no say I not tell you. Show you guys see what I'm doing. Just do it like that. If you work out, come out, your tomato paste will burn and your jollof rice will just spoil. So be careful. Now I'll just add my steamed tomato to cook for about 10 minutes, just only 10 minutes. I'll give it a nice stir. So add my nutmeg, my curry, paprika, Maggi, and salt to taste. I will give it a nice stir. Stir it very well so that all the ingredients will mix together very well. Okay. So I'll just cover it to cook for 10 minutes. As you can see, I'm cooking both the chicken and the stew. I'm just cooking the two together so that I'll save a lot of time. So guys, as you see, the stew is ready. If you want to cook your stew, please cover it, or biko, cover it. If not, your kitchen it will splash all over the place and you'll be tired of cleaning. So I don't like all those oil in my kitchen. So now I just want to take all the oil out of this stew because I don't need that oil, it's too much. And also I'm going to use butter to cook the rice, so I don't need all this oil. So now I've taken all the oil away. As you can see, there is no oil, just small. These are the oil that I took away from the stew. Some people can use it to cook, but me, I don't want oil. So it's time for me to soak my rice. I'll soak my rice with warm water. Then I'll add salt and I'll leave it for about 5 minutes so that the rice will be soft, because I don't like parboiling my rice if I'm cooking jollof. So these are my beautiful chicken. I just want to grill them in my oven to avoid excess fat. The rice is already washed. So now this is the chicken stock I'm going to use for this rice. I just take away all the spices because I don't like seeing them in my rice. I don't like it. Now add nutmeg, butter. I use part of the butter, and later I'll use the other part of the butter. So I'll just leave the chicken stock to boil, to cook very well, so that everything will cook together. Now I'll add my tomato stew that I prepared previously. So I'll give it a nice stir together so that everything will mix together. Then I'll add my rice. Then you just give it a nice stir. Turn it very well. Just turn away everything. Turn it very well. So you cover it. You just start cooking it and low the heat. Don't cook it on a high heat, it's not good. So now I just want to open it and see what I got inside my pot. So guys, as you can see, the rice is already cooking. I will stir it together and cover it again. You do this maybe 4 or 5 times. Open, turn, cover, open, turn, so that the one in the down will come up and the one in the up will go down. In that way you cook your rice very well. I'll be opening it and covering it, opening it and covering it. So now, as you can see, the rice is almost done, but we still need to cook it a little bit. So now I'll add my vegetables. First I'll add my carrot. Then I'll add my green peas. Please, my brothers and sisters, don't boil your peas before you put it inside, otherwise it will melt inside. As you're bringing out from the fridge, just put it inside the pot. You give it a nice stir. Mix everything well together. And now you add your butter. You give it a nice stir. just turn it from the down to the up, from the up to the down, so that your rice will cook very well. So after doing this, you just cover it. It's the heat that will cook all the vegetables. So as you can see, I've covered it before. The heat just cook all the vegetables very well. You don't want to cook the vegetable, it's a vegetable, it doesn't take time to cook, so you just need to cook it a little bit, not too much. So now I'll add my spring onion. I'll just leave it to cook for that 1 minute, because spring onions is so tender, so it cooks very fast. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Guys, this jollof rice is so good, so tasty. Please try it out. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, and also subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you never miss a video. Bye.